today's question is based on the delta function. ठीक है, delta function पर based है और system में 2 particles है. Till yet we are calculating our system containing 1 particle, but today we will do system containing 2 particles. ठीक है, तो सिस्टम में जब 2 पार्टिकल्स होंगे और उसका हैमिल्टोनियन दिया हुआ है, see consider 2 particles having the same mass m moving along x-axis. The Hamiltonian of the system is this, and calculate the first order in your energy correction of the ground state. So from where I should start? Tell me. From where I should? 2 particles of equal mass m. Then unperturbed Hamiltonian will be what? Unperturbed Hamiltonian will be your H naught, and this H naught is equal to P1 square by 2m plus P2 square by 2m minus alpha del of x1 minus alpha of del of x2. Right? This is your unperturbed Hamiltonian. But the perturbed Hamiltonian will be what? Perturbed Hamiltonian will be your H dash, and this is equal to lambda v naught del of x1 minus x2. Okay, so I know that ground state of a single attractive delta potential. Okay, attractive delta potential will be what? V of x is equal to minus alpha del of x. So this is your what? My potential given. So I can say the bound state wave function, right? So this implies that bound state wave function will be what? Your sin naught of x is equal to under root of kappa e to the power minus kappa mod of x. Now you will say how I have calculated where my kappa is equal to m alpha by h square. This is my single attractive delta potential. Okay, I can write out like this way, and then the ground state wave function will be like that. I will show you after this entire question solve how I calculated this your sin naught, that is the ground state. Okay, now how can I say what my ground state wave function? So I can check the normalization. So checking normalization means normalize a constant value, right? Normalization. So I can find out how minus infinity to plus infinity kappa e to the power minus 2 kappa mod of x, right? So it becomes twice of kappa and 0 to infinite e to the power minus 2 kappa is equal to 1, right? Because of its even function. Now 2 particles, this is a single particle. Now 2 particle ground state wave function. Ground state wave function will be what? Tell me. It will be sin naught of x1 x2 is equal to sin naught of x1 sin naught of x2, right? So I can say sin naught of x1 x2 is nothing but your kappa times of e to the power minus kappa mod of x1 plus mod of x2, and this is the entire bracket, right? So I can say my sin naught square for the entire particle, okay, 2 particle actually, kappa square e to the power minus 2 kappa x1 plus x2 mod and whole square, right? You got it? How I describe this one? That is sin naught is go like this way, psi 1 into psi 2. So means psi 1 into psi 2 means that sin naught of x1 and sin naught of x2. Then I combine these two, and because I know the single one is this value, single one value is this, so I do like this way, sin naught square. Then because I need sin naught square for your first order energy correction, it is E1. So I get sin naught h dash sin, right? Now when I substituting my h dash, that is the perturbed Hamiltonian, what I will get? E1 is equal to lambda v naught integration of d of x1 d of x2, then sin naught of your x1 x2 mod square delta of your x1 minus x2. This is the perturbation, right? So I will use the delta function property. So using delta function property, what is my delta function property? That is f of x1 x2 and delta of x1 minus x2. What I will get is f of x1 x2, right? So we get for my this even part. So I will write it as like this way, lambda v naught minus infinite to plus infinite sin naught of x1 x2 mod square dx, and I already find out this one, right? So I know that my sin naught of x1 x2 mod square is nothing but kappa square e to the power minus 4 kappa mod of x. Mod of x is equal to my x1 plus x2. So my E1 becomes what? And moreover, this kappa square also infinite to plus infinite e to the power minus 4 kappa mod of x degree of x. Now I will evaluate this integration, right? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so evaluating the integration. Okay, since the integral is the even function, so I will use the property of definite integral as minus infinity to plus infinity becomes twice of 0 to infinite. So I will write it as minus infinity to plus infinity, you have minus 4 kappa mod of x dx is nothing but 0 to infinite twice times of e to the power minus 4 kappa mod x dx, right? So therefore I will get the value twice of your e to the power minus times of e to the power 4 kappa x upon 4 kappa 0 to infinite, or I can get the value 1 upon kappa, right? So I can say that my E1 will be what? Lambda V naught kappa square and 1 upon 2 kappa. Okay, this is the value of my E naught what they are asking. Or you can say directly that E1 is your lambda V naught kappa by 2. Lambda V naught kappa by 2. This is I have not given the kappa in the question. Kappa we have substituted by ourselves. So from here I can say E11 becomes your, since kappa is equal to m alpha by h cut square. So I can write the value of kappa over here, lambda V naught m alpha by h cut square 2, right? 2. So my E1 is this, and I can say this is the first order correction in the ground state. Okay. Now if you say, then I will make you provide that how I have calculated the ground state wave function over delta function, right? So